How to fix Ticketmaster browsing activity paused. First, stop refreshing. If you're repeatedly refreshing the event page, stop it. Don't keep clicking the same buttons over and over. Ticketmaster specifically identifies repeated clicks as a possible trigger. Step 2. Turn off VPN. Before trying again, disable VPN, browser automation tools, or unnecessary extensions. Ticketmaster specifically recommends turning off automated tools or browser extensions when this error occurs. Step 3. Wait a few minutes. Ticketmaster says the restriction is usually temporary. Don't immediately hammer the site again after getting the error. Step 4. If it says high activity on your network, this is different. Ticketmaster says this can happen when multiple people are using the same internet connection, such as at an office, school, or public Wi-Fi. Switch to a personal connection if possible. Step 5. If ticket asks you to verify yourself. If you see we need to confirm it's you need to sign out, sign back in, complete a verification. You may be asked for a selfie or photo ID. Once verification is complete, continue using the site. Step 6. If you're using the Ticketmaster app. Ticketmaster recommends clearing the app cache. If necessary, uninstall or reinstall the app, or try the mobile website instead. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.